Hello guys, how are you? I hope all are fine. So I'm discussing steps to be followed while answering questions. Okay? क्या क्या आपको स्टेप फॉलो करने हैं आंसर करते वक्त. ओके. डिज़ाइन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आंसर. ओके. Utilize IPEC format. In this format, I stands for issue, P stands for provision of law, E stands for explanation of the provision of law to the facts of the case, C stands for conclusion. Now, secondly, clearly understand the call of the question. The statement at the end of a question is sometimes referred to as call of the question. It usually asks you to do something specific such as discuss, advise, recommend, and so forth. The call of the question should be read carefully because it tells you exactly what you are expected to do. Thirdly, make assumptions whenever required. The instructions for a question may tell you to assume facts that are necessary to the answer. Even when instructions are not given, you may be obliged to make certain assumptions about missing facts in order to write a thorough answer. Examiner may have omitted some facts deliberately to see if the student can figure out what to do under the circumstances, and sometimes he may have omitted them inadvertently. Now, next, support your views or answer with case study if you know and remember one. In general, students are not expected to remember name of case law, but landmark decision or cases are to be on fingertips. Students must be able to recall that case name in exam. Only in custom it's there the case laws. Following ICI is safest action, but you may mention your view too. In instances where a conflict exists between our answers and the one answered by ICI, follow the latter because your marks are determined by ICI. Their views shall always supersede our personal views. Where ICI stance seems prima facie illogical, then you may mention your viewpoint also along with your stance will be appreciated if supported by reasoning. You may state like in ours considered opinion dash dash dash. Thank you. I hope you will enjoy answering the question in exam. Thank you and have a nice day.